Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add yourself to any photo in Snapseed. And here's how it's done. First, we will open Snapseed and import the image of the place where we want to appear. I'll make a few small adjustments. Next, I will go into the Tools section and select the Double Exposure option. Now we are in double exposure mode, and we need to add a picture of ourselves or whoever you want in the photo. Once I'm happy with the placement, I will save the changes. Now click on the top button, select View Edits, then click on Double Exposure, and choose the Brush tool. We will need to carefully brush around the person to make a selection. Don't rush this part, as it needs to be precise. I will speed this up for now to keep it moving. Once the selection is complete, hit the invert button again to reveal the person in front. Now we will adjust the opposite now we will adjust the opacity from 100% to 0% to touch up the edges and make the selection cleaner. I will speed this up too. After cleaning it up, we can save the image. And that's everything you need to know about how to add yourself to any photo in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.